Hey, this is Juan from Bagby. How are you doing today? Have you recently been in a restaurant or coffee shop and scanned a QR code to see the menu? How do you feel about it? Did you know QR codes date back to 1994, but they gained prominence in 2020 as the globe switched to a more contactless lifestyle as a preventive measure against COVID-19? The industry says that QR codes are all about efficiency, but here is a question for you. What happened to human interaction? Don't you think it's a little bit negative, the fact that the first thing we are encouraged to do when we go to a restaurant is to pull off our phones? Didn't we encourage people to have a more tech-free experience at the restaurant and enjoy this meal and a great conversation? Hey, we love the service here. Appreciate it. Here are 3 tips for you when you go to a restaurant. Ask for a physical menu, arguing that you prefer no phones on the table. Don't feel obliged to take a picture of your meal and post it straight away on social media. It might taste even better. And third, just enjoy the time at the restaurant and have a great conversation. Since 2019, we were designing a cool solution for restaurants, but unfortunately after this trend, we had to kill the project. So what do you think? Should we resume these cool ideas for restaurants? Do you think this is something that customers or restaurants will welcome back? So if you like this video, please share with the ones you love. And one little thing before I go, enjoy the sunset or your meal, post it later.